हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय अनदर वीडियो। आज की इस वीडियो में हम लेकर आए हैं एसएससी जीडी 2026 के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज विद एक्सप्लेनेशंस जो 4 मई के सारे शिफ्ट में पूछे गए हैं। अगर आप एसएससी जीडी, एमटीएस, दिल्ली पुलिस या किसी भी कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहे हो तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत ही यूज़फुल होने वाली है, क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन एग्ज़ाम ओरिएंटेड और रिपीट होने वाले हैं। इसलिए वीडियो का एंड तक ज़रूर देखना और अपना स्कोर कमेंट में बताना। देखते हैं कि आप कितने क्वेश्चन सही कर पाते हो। तो चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच पार्ट ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डील्स विद सिटीजनशिप? द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, पार्ट 2, आर्टिकल 5 to 11. Question number 2, in which year was the World's Parliament of Religions held in Chicago? The correct answer is option D, 1893. Question number 3, in which year did the Jaipur Literature Festival begin? The correct answer is option B, 2006. Question number 4, into which category of animal tissue is blood classified? The correct answer is option C, connective tissue. Question number 5, which river in India has the largest volume of water, highest water holding capacity? The correct answer is option B, Brahmaputra. Question number 6, under the Indian Constitution, who has the power to form new states, alter their boundaries or change their names? The correct answer is option D, Parliament. Question number 7, the growth of the pollen tube towards the ovule is an example of what? The correct answer is option D, chemotropism. Question number 8, which mosque did Shah Jahan build in the Agra fort specially for royal women? The correct answer is option D, Nagina Masjid. Question number 9, during British rule, which crop was the farmers of Maharashtra forced to cultivate? The correct answer is option D, cotton. Question number 10, how many total medals did India win in shooting at the Asian Games 2023? The correct answer is option D, 22. Question number 11, who is the first Indian woman to win a silver medal in the Olympics? The correct answer is option A, PV Sindhu. Question number 12, why is the rotation speed of Venus on its axis the slowest compared to other planets? The correct answer is option C, due to its dense atmosphere and solar tidal force. Question number 13, to which Hindu deity is the classical Manipuri dance primarily dedicated? The correct answer is option C, Lord Krishna. Question number 14, what is the main characteristic of the Bhangra dance? The correct answer is option C, energetic and fast-paced movements. Question number 15, what was the Chipko movement primarily associated with? The correct answer is option B, tree protection or forest conservation. Question number 16, what is the rest period between rounds in Olympics boxing? The correct answer is option C, 1 minute. Question number 17, which river has the largest river basin in India? The correct answer is option C, Ganga. Question number 18, what is the correct English translation for the Hindi word Gyapan? The correct answer is option C, memorandum. Question number 19, what is the antonym of kathor, that's hard? The correct answer is option D, komal. Question number 20, what does the term remand mean in the legal process? The correct answer is option B, sending an accused to police custody or judicial care. Question number 21, how many medals did India win at the 2023 World Para Athletic Championship in Paris? The correct answer is option D, 10 medals. Question number 22, intervenial corollis in plants is a sign of what deficiency? The correct answer is option C, iron deficiency. Question number 23, When did Swami Vivekananda deliver his famous speech at the Chicago World Parliament of Religions? The correct answer is option A, 1893. Question number 24. What type of tissue is blood? The correct answer is option B, fluid connective tissue. Question number 25. How many medals did the Indian shooting team win at the 2023 Hangzhou Asian Games? The correct answer is option A, 22. Question number 26. What type of dance is Bhangra? The correct answer is option D, energetic traditional folk dance from Punjab. Question number 27. Which is the longest river flowing entirely in India? The correct answer is option B, Ganga. Question number 28. What is the antonym of the word difficult, mushkil? The correct answer is option C, easy. Asan or simple, saral. Question number 29. What is the Hindi meaning of charge sheet? The correct answer is option A, Arup Patra. Question number 30. Which Indian state is Bhangra famous for? The correct answer is option B, Punjab. Question number 31. What is the shape of the Himalayan mountain range? The correct answer is option B, arc shaped. Question number 32. What is the antonym of the word hard? Kathor. The correct answer is option D, soft, naram. Question number 33. What is the Hindi term for father-in-law? The correct answer is option B, Sasur. Question number 34. Which of the following peaks is not located in India? The correct answer is option B, Dholagiri. Question number 35. What is the correct spelling of Sankat in Hindi? The correct answer is option A. Question number 36. What is the Hindi meaning of the word memorandum? The correct answer is option D, Gyapan. Question number 37. Which river has the largest water carrying capacity in India? The correct answer is option D, Brahmaputra. Question number 38. The growth of the ovule and pollen tubes in an example of which tropism? The correct answer is option C, chemiotropism. Question number 39. Who has the power to form new states in India under Article 3? The correct answer is option B, Parliament. Question number 42. What is the English translation of the Hindi word Gyapan? The correct answer is option D, memorandum. Question number 43. Which crop were farmers in Maharashtra forced to grow during British rule? The correct answer is option C, cotton. Question number 44. How many medals did India win in the 2023 World Para Athletic Championships? The correct answer is option C, 10. Question number 45. Who was the first Indian woman to win a silver medal in the Olympics? The correct answer is option D, PV Sindhu. Question number 46. Why is Venus' rotation slower than other planets in the solar system? The correct answer is option C, due to its dense atmosphere and tidal effects. Question number 47. In which year did Swami Vivekananda give his famous speech at the World Parliament of Religions in Chicago? The correct answer is option B, 1893. Question number 48. Blood is an example of which type of tissue? The correct answer is option B, connective tissue. Question number 49. To which deity is the Manipuri classical dance dedicated? The correct answer is option B, Lord Krishna. Question number 50. What is the main feature of Bhangra dance? The correct answer is option D, energetic and fast paced movement. तो मुझे आप बता सकते हो कमेंट में आपने कितने क्वेश्चन सही किए। बाकी मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग।